All right, so here's the little tutorial, a little face pull, cable face pull tutorial. Why face pulls? They get external rotation, kind of kills two birds with one stone. You're getting external rotation, right? So we're working the external rotators, or the muscles of the rotator cuff, and then you're working your muscles in your upper back, your trapezius, your rhomboids, and so forth. Right, set up the cable, the arm of the cable to where it's about eye level or face height. You grab a rope, you're gonna grab palms facing down or pronated grip. We're gonna take a staggered stance. You can also take just kind of a ready stance, both feet forward, the same plane. But I like to take a staggered stance, kind of lean back on that back leg. We're gonna rotate the thumbs in, right? So we're gonna rotate the thumbs in as we rotate the elbows up and out. So again, rotate thumbs in, rotate elbows up and out. Squeeze those shoulder blades back. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. The key here is watch the head and neck. You don't want to shoot the head forward, right? Keep the chin gently tucked as you're doing this. Let's see if I can get a little angle from the side. All right, so again, we're rotating in as the elbows rotate up and out. Right, thumbs rotate in, elbows up and out. Hope this is helpful.